Woo! Yabona-ke guys, I must say ukuthi I actually had to dig in first because I was hungry and I wanted to taste this. I actually had to dig in first before I can actually post. Ngikhohliwe bengithi ngizoposta from start to finish. But yazini kwavele kwazenzakalela nje ukuthi ngizithole sengimantshuza, sengihlafuna, sengincela iminwe sekumnandi. These are the joys of living alone. I stay alone. My daughter only have one girl who is grown up, who's even starting her own family. So I eat what I want, when I want to eat what I want, when I feel like what I want to have. Isingisi-ke leso. Isingisi-ke leso. Sizwe kahle isingisi. Hey manje ngifundile kodwa. Hayi ngifundile abangeke. Mina ngidla into engiyithandayo ngesikhathi engisithandayo. Uma ngabe ngifuna ukuthi namhlanje angifuni ukupheka, ngifuna ukudla le engiyifunayo, ngiyayidla. Ngoba kho mama ngilambile, mama ngifuna iphalishi, mama ngifuna ipapa. Woo, shame in Somizi's voice. Guys, this food is from I just went shopping for mini groceries at Checkers in Cornubia Mall in Durban. Guys, yabona into emnandi yanconywa. Ngicela ukuncoma uchef wase-Cornubia in Durban, north of Durban. Those of you who knows Durban. Yabona this is a mutton curry. This is a mutton curry, guys. This is a mutton curry. Uyabona manginqena ukupheka. Ngivele ngiye lapha nje kuleya Shoprite. Look at the thickness of this curry. Look at the thickness. Look at the thickness. Look at the juiciness. Look at the texture. Look at the texture, guys. Yabona ukharo ngempela kufanele ube nje. Hayi ukharo gijima amanzi engazi ukuthi yazi engathi uthukela. Fake lonke uthukela kukhari sigcine singasayizwi taste. Amaqatha enyama siwacinga ukuthi angalaphi. I want you to check the texture of this stew. Check the texture. This is the texture. Yummy. And iqatha itself. Check iqatha. Iqatha is well marinated, is covered in spices. Iqatha is juicy. Liyahalisa. I had this with vegetable biryani. Unfortunately, senguqedile. Vegetable biryani wabo ke ngijwayele ukuthenga yabona nje mangabe nginqena ukupheka ngivele ngidlule khona ngoba indlela yami idlula khona. This is their vegetable biryani. Umnandi udla nawodwa. Awudingi nanokuthi nje mina ke am carnivore by nature, angikudla udla okungena nyama. Kodwa ubiryani walaba eCarnubia, eCheckers Hyper. Angifuni ukungasho. Ngiyawudla. So namhlanje ngithenge i-mutton stew. Ngithenge i-mutton stew, ngase ngithenga ne-vegetable biryani because I mean like guys, it's Sunday. I could have been cooking a 7-color meal, but ngoba ke I've got choices and options and privileges. Avele ngathi nje mutton curry. Ibuke. Awusakhali sekuconsa amathe, ibuke. Ase ngithini? Ngathi chicken biryani. Guys, imnandi lento. Kumnandi ukudla kwalabantu. Even ngisho i-mac and cheese yabo. Woo! Iqonsisa amathe. Lalela, if you are new to this channel, what's cooking with Z? Come closer because sisazohamba ama-cooking schools, sisazohamba ama-culinary schools, sisazohamba amahhotela, sisazo-reviewa ukudla kwasema-lodges, hotels, restaurants, in and around Durban and all over South Africa. I want you to stay closer. If you are a foodie, if you are a food lover like me, you're gonna love what is going to happen in this channel. You're gonna love what is going to happen in this channel. Can I repeat? You're gonna love what is going to happen on this channel. So please subscribe, like, comment, share the love. Lalel, you don't have to be a good cook to eat good food. That's my belief. I'm a foodie, yes, I can cook my own food, but if I don't want to eat my own food, angidle ukudla kwabanye abantu ngithokoze, inhliziyo yami ithi cosololo ukuthi ngidle kamnandi. Kanti why kufanele ngibe isigqila sasemabhodweni mina ngishiswe ibhodwe noma kungekho ndoda ethi baby, ngishiswa amabhodwe noma kungekho nkameyana ethi comment, like, subscribe, share, and make sure that you are part of this community. Ngoba yazini sazoba mnandi, sazodlala, sizozigudla iy'ndawo zokudla. Sizozigudla iy'ndawo zokudla. Uzowazi wonke amakhono anokudla oku-expensive, oku-affordable, oku-average, oku-fit for the world class, oku-fit for vegetarians, oku-fit for vegans, oku-fit for carnivores, oku-fit for the kings and queens who love food. Right? So do join. Ungalenzi iphutha. Njengoba bengishilo. Bona-ke lento isebenza kahle uma uzosubscribe. Isebenza kahle uma uzo-turn on your notification bell. Awufuni ukuphuthwa nayeyodwa i-episode ezoqhamuka la. Awufuni ukuphuthwa nayeyodwa i-live ezokwenzeka la. Isebenza kahle uma ngabe uzoshare le content ukuthi siyadla la. Buka leli zambane. Izambane leli liphuma ku-vegetable biryani. I'm not somebody who is a fan of izambane nje liginqika phakathi kwe-rice. Cha. Mina ngithanda izambane liginqike eduze kwenyama. Kodwa uyabona leli first grade wezambane. Limnandi futhi. Don't miss. Things about to get cooking here. It's about to get hard. So do join this channel. What's up, foodies? Come closer. It's food. Kazim.